Nike, it's about damn time. What is going on, YouTube? This is your boy, the Vintage Man, and in today's video, we're gonna be talking about Nike's huge announcement today. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, been seeing it all over Twitter. A lot of people are happy, but this really has me thinking, why wasn't Nike thinking about this a whole 2 years ago? We've been dealing with bots for the longest. I feel like I haven't hit for retail for a lot of these different spots like Foot Locker, Champs, you know, Finish Line. All those spots is getting taken up. All those shoes are getting taken up by bots. Everybody knows this. We see people on YouTube talking about bots. We see people on Instagram talking about the whole bot community. Bunch of different discords and stuff like that, running slots, add to cart services. Just bots everywhere, man. Taking up every single shoe from the people that actually want to wear it, like me. They just announced this today, and literally yesterday, your boy paid $450 for the Air Jordan 1 University Blues. I feel like this is something Nike should have been doing, and they're gonna do it right after I pay resale for these things right here. It's crazy. I really don't like paying resale, but you know, resales are there for people that missed out on sneakers. The prices now has been crazy. I remember back in the day when I used to get an early pair of Air Jordan 1s, it was only going for $350. I remember I got a pair of Air Jordan 1 Royals. Air Jordan 1 Royals early from Fine Line 1721, and I only paid $350. These off rip was going for $450. I had to pay for these. It's crazy. I just want you guys to, you know, kind of compare the times back then. Air Jordan 1 Royals and these Air Jordan 1 University Blues. It's just super hard to get sneakers now because of bots. And now Nike is going to be revamping, redoing their whole anti-bot technology, and hopefully it works. It's just crazy, man. Like, I would expect them to make this announcement last year, especially when everybody's at home. You got a lot of time on your hand to actually, you know, doing research how to get the best bot, where to buy the best bot, and all this good stuff. And people had, like I said, a lot of time on their hand to start botting all these sneakers, man. There's a lot of money to be made with botting. I feel like if you got a bot, if you already invested that money into it, you know what I'm saying, you keep getting all these sneakers and stuff like that, it's eventually gonna pay off, and you're just gonna have a lot of people mad that's paying that resale value for these sneakers we're taking L's on. And the way that the message was put out is if Nike has something that was good already in play as far as these bots. I don't know if they're gonna be running it, you know what I'm saying, on Foot Locker or strictly on Nike sneakers app. I don't know how that is gonna work, but all I know is bots have been killing the sneaker game for the last couple years that I can remember. Like 2 years ago, I didn't hear anything about bots like that. I know it was bots out there, people did it and stuff like that, especially for like Supreme, Yeezys, different, you know, huge hyped products like that, but we really didn't hear it as far as people botting sneakers. I know I heard it. I'm not saying I never heard about bots, but it wasn't as crazy and it wasn't as relevant as it is today's sneaker community. So the technology Nike has been using has been failing miserably, and now they want to make a change. Like, just do it. Like, you don't even gotta make that announcement. Just do it, take charge, and actually, you know what I'm saying, see where we coming from as far as us that don't resell, people that actually want to wear the sneakers and that's tired of paying over $400 for a pair of sneakers. I know I sound kind of salty because I just paid $450 for these. It is what it is, but I've been paying resale for a bunch of other sneakers besides these right here. And the main person to blame are the people that are using these bots to take up all the sneakers on Foot Locker, Finish Line, Nike, Sneakers App, all of those sites. So Nike CEO John Donahoe addressed the sneaker releases and updated policies. Pretty much the Nike developing, you know, the anti-bot tech or whatever. He said, we've been working on the anti-bot tech for the last several years. Like, I don't know what's taking so long to end bots. What is taking so long to do that? A multi-billion-dollar corporation, you can't pay somebody, you know what I'm saying, to make something to not let bots get through. You should be able to know who was actually botting, who was actually just a regular person trying to buy sneakers. I'm tired of seeing the messages on Champ Sports and on Foot Locker saying they banned me from the IP address because we botters. So he said, we've been working on anti-bot tech for the last several years. That is part of the solution, but we need to double down on our efforts. I want you guys to emphasize that. We need to double down on their efforts. Like, yo, you should have been doing that, bro. Like, this is something that y'all should have been doing last year. Last year, it was crazy, bro. Everybody, I feel like last year was taking mad L's. That's when we start seeing that crazy rise in resale value for all sneakers. Every sneaker sells out. You don't see anything sitting in stores, like barely. Like, you might see something, you might get lucky on seeing something, but 9 times out of 10, every single release is being sold out on the Nike sneakers app or anything that Nike damn near produces. So I'm gonna need the CEO of Nike, the owner, whoever it is, to double down ASAP. Like, we're tired of paying resale. I know you guys are too watching my video. I don't do a lot of resale videos and stuff like that, and I don't talk about bots a lot, but we all know that botting, you know what I'm saying, is pretty much probably the biggest plague of the sneaker community. Like, it's just hard to get sneakers nowadays. I want you guys to let me know how you feel about this information down below in the comment section. Do you feel like Nike is finally doing something? Do you think they should have been done something like a whole 2 years ago? Like, I just don't know where they was at the last 2 years. Like, have y'all not been seeing what's going on? I know y'all all on social media. I know they all on YouTube watching different videos and stuff like that. And it's people literally making videos talking about botting sneakers, like getting hundreds of pairs of shoes that they are able to attain with a bot. And now Nike wants to do something to fix this entire issue, man. So I don't know. I'm happy. I'm happy because I don't have a bot. I never, you know what I'm saying, like botting. I always get my sneakers manually if I'm able to do it, which is damn near impossible to do with all the bots that we are seeing being used on all these different sites. And I know you guys are happy as well to hear this information from Nike too. I just feel like they should have been did this. They should have been double down, triple down, quadruple down on the efforts to stop people from botting all their sneakers. So what is next from here from Nike, man? What are they gonna do? How are they gonna do this? How are they gonna implement it on all of their shoes getting sold on all these different sites? I don't know, but like I said, a multi-billion-dollar corporation, they should be able to figure it out and handle the situation in a good, timely manner. Shouldn't have took the last several years. It should have been, you know what I'm saying, probably max a year. Should have took max 1 year, not damn near 3 years that we've been seeing these bots take up all these shoes. I'm looking at my sneaker collection right now. I got shoes in my closet. I got shoes behind me and stuff like that. And it's not a lot of shoes that I paid retail for. It's crazy. Like, it's not a lot of shoes I paid retail for, and I'm having to pay resale. One of the homies helped me out, or I got super lucky on the Nike sneakers app, which I can count on my hands how many times I've hit on Nike sneakers app within the last 4 to 5 years. That should tell you something about Nike's anti-bot protection. So again, guys, please let me know how you feel about Nike CEO coming out making this huge announcement. Everybody's talking about it. Let me know down below in the comment section. You think they're gonna actually do it? It's just something they said to, you know what I'm saying, to ease the pain that we are all going through on paying resale for all these sneakers, seeing all these botters take up all the shoes we really want for retail. I don't know. This might drive that resale market down. This might, you know what I'm saying, make that resale market crash a little bit, just a tad bit, if they actually do something to ban all these bots. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and you're new to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss any other content that I drop on the channel. We do a bunch of discussion videos like this. We do a bunch of reviews, a bunch of on feeds, live cops, and all that stuff. So make sure you hit that notification bell right now for your boy. Slap the like button as well. That goes a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And if you are new to the channel, man, let us know where you're from down below in the comment section. My IG will always be linked in the description box below, so go head over there and give your boy a follow. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.